Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So I have been getting a lot of requests on DOGELON or Doggy Elon. Not really sure how you pronounce it, and it's been pretty significant gains, right? I mean, from when it was listed back in what? Well, I mean, I don't know about the listing, but roughly from like late September in a month, it did what? A 51x? That's insane, dude. Are you kidding me? Look at that. 51x in almost in exactly 30 days, or a little bit less actually than 30 days, which is pretty insane. Um, so Dog Elon, it's a little bit too much of a meme for me to buy in, but as of right now, it is trailing down. It doesn't seem like it's going to stop. I actually thought it was going to stop. The only reason I say that is because if you look at every single bull trigger or when it tries to break a bull cycle, it's not really done anything, and it keeps trailing down. At least on the higher time frame, right? It's been trying to figure out what to do. The only thing that it's actually been responding to extremely well is the daily. So what I can see right now, if anybody right now is looking for an entry, I would more than likely, if there's really only two spots where I would enter in personally. The first spot is literally right now at this price of, 12 microcents here. I would probably buy in right now. 11 microcents, 12 microcents around this area, I would be buying in. The only other time that I would be buying in is if you actually have a retest of major support, which is 0.000 whatever 496, whatever this is right here, right? 492. So whatever price is right here, that would be my major point of entry. If you enter right now, I think it's only gonna you would risk a lot, right? There's a lot of risk that you have to the downside. You can potentially keep losing a bunch of money, right? But to the upside, you would only gain about 100%. So your R&R is super low. Like your risk to reward is horrible on this, right? Because you would be getting on this super late. Um, if I had to play this again, this would be fool's insurance. I would not play Dog Elon for any other reason because I believe in the project. I don't even know what the project is, right? I don't even care. Just from the name, I'm assuming that it's already going to be just from the name, I'm assuming that it's already going to be meme the hell out, right? And that's pretty much what it is. I would not buy this unless I would be getting down somewhere around this area right here. I think my entry point would probably be here at point, 000 whatever at 492. That's where my entry point would be right there. If I had to like play this, because in a case like this, from here you are looking at what at least like a 3%, like a 300% gain, almost 4x. And that's not even to recent highs, right? To actual highs, you're looking at a 440% gain. So it really just depends on what your risk tolerance is right now. Like it just depends, like, how much are you willing to actually, do you believe in this project? Then if you believe in this project, then get in right now. If it keeps dropping, then buy in right here. If it drops below this price, then it's going to range here and it's probably going to stay down here for a while. But if you think that Dog Elon is going to keep running to the high side, then I strongly recommend you buy it now. And then if it drops again, back to 492 or whatever. Personally, I'm probably going to be staying out of this. It does look like it's going to keep going down. I mean, even right now on the fib, it's a little bit on the it's already on the low side. It already passed the goal. It already passed the golden levels, right? Like the two golden levels are zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.6, right? It's pretty. Those are pretty well known, right? So as soon as it crossed under here, I would think that it's going down to zero point 0.7. And in a case like that, a drop from here to here would still be what, like another like 25%. So if you were to buy in right now, you'd still lose 25% if you drop to the next level. I mean, I think there's probably gonna be another major level of resistance of support, like right there. So you might actually have it bounce all the way down here before you see a retest, right? That's what I think is very likely. You might actually see. I think there's two things that can happen. You either rebound from here, right? Or you keep dropping and you actually bounce from set to 7777, whatever it is, right? Here, and then you rebound to the high side, right? So I can really only see two scenarios, right? Something like that happen. I can really only see something like that. You either bounce right now on the golden fibs, or you keep running down to here and then bounce back up. That's the only thing that I can really see, happening for Dog Elon. And if you like the project, I suggest buy now. If you want to meme it out, I probably suggest you wait to more than likely to like 488 or something, or 492. So, Doggy Lun's cool. I'm gonna stay out of it. I don't really want to play this. But it does look like it's going to keep trailing down. It has a lot of room to drop. It already broke support on every single stochastic level. So I would not be surprised if it goes back down to the 20 level on the stoch and it keeps running. So keep in mind, I'm more biased towards the downside, and I would not be surprised to at least see it here at 777. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.